Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are diving into a comparison between Notion and ClickUp, two of the most powerful and popular productivity tools out there, okay? So let me go to the home page. I have used both personally and professionally, so I will walk you through their features, pricings and key differences to help you decide which one is right for you. So let's jump right in. Both Notion and ClickUp are powerful apps for managing tasks, planning your day, organizing your projects, and even working with teams. But they serve slightly different purposes. Notion leans more toward personal productivity, great for planning your life, journaling, goal setting, and budgeting. And ClickUp, on the other hand, is built more for team collaboration and project management, ideal for businesses, agencies, and remote teams. Of course, you can use them both, but each one shines in its own area. Let's break them down. Okay, so now let's break them down, but make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. Let's start with Notion, okay? So you can use Notion for your personal work or your professional work. Also, you can use it for school. So let's choose for work. Now let's tap continue. Also, you can choose for these options. Now let's tap continue. So basically I use Notion to track my monthly budget, plan my weekly schedule, organize tasks like family time, remote work or date night. So write down personal goals and reflections. Notion also supports databases. Um, you can create advanced systems for finances, workouts or content planning. And here you can see Notion offers two types of packages. The plus one is $12, here you can see them, and the free one is $0. This is showing $0 because you can try Notion for 14 days fully for free. So let's continue with the free one. And pressing slash brings up a menu where you can add, okay, let's tap on done, where you can add like tables, text, galleries and Kanban boards, okay? You can also use embeds like to link your images to another site or something like that. Also images and even AI generated content. You can use it for templates, for productivity, journaling and more. There's also a calendar view and on Notion, which is perfect for seeing your text content. You can use it for your tracker, goals tracker and etc. You can also add new if you wish to, all of these things. And you can create private or shared folders, making it flexible for personal or small team use. Now let's look at ClickUp. Here you can see this ClickUp option. So ClickUp is basically built for teamwork and collaboration. You can tap on to start for free and you can get started with it. Wait, let me search for ClickUp. Here you can see this. Wait until the page loads completely. Till then I'm gonna talk about its features. So after logging into ClickUp, you will see a more structured workspace with spaces, folders and lists to organize everything than Notion. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, you can set due dates and add priorities and track time. So one of my favorite views is the board view. Wait, let's load it up. Okay, let's use on to another site. Let's check it out. So as you can see, there might be some network issues, that's why I'm unable to log into it. Okay, so ClickUp also gives you time tracking and notepad for personal notes. You can use docs like Notion for wikis, SOPs and project plans. You can also get chat, whiteboards and dashboard for collaboration, automations to handle repetitive tasks. For example, you can set an automation to mark a task as complete when its status changes to uploaded. It saves a ton of time if you are managing multiple projects or a busy team. Now let's talk about pricings of them. As I just talked about Notion's pricings, which offers free plan and plus plan, both of them. You can just check it out from here. You can also go to settings and also check out all of these options. And let me show you the upgraded options here. So as I just told you, they offers also two more options like business and enterprise. So business is $15 per user a month. You can get unlimited blocks, 30-day page history, up to 100 gigs, and you can integrate with other tools. And there's another offer which enterprise, which costs $20 per month, and you have to bill it annually. Okay, you can upgrade to it. You can get up to 250 gigs, user provisioning, which is a scheme, and space analytics, audit log, and advanced security. So you can also compare all features from here. Now let's talk about ClickUp pricing. So it has a free forever plan. Also it has unlimited plans, which is $7 a month, which you have to pay annually. And if you want to pay monthly, it can cost like $10 a month. And they have another package, which is business package, which costs you around $12 a month. And ClickUp offers unlimited storage, time tracking, dashboards, Gantt charts, automations, and many more, even on the $7 plans. So actually ClickUp is really a budget friendly site. So the final verdict is ClickUp offers more features per dollar, especially for teams, but Notion's simplicity and design make it more appealing for personal use, even if it is slightly pricier. So the final thought is, I would like to use them both. For personal use, I'm going to use Notion, and for team work, ClickUp is better. So which one should you choose? Okay, so go with Notion if you want a clean personal productivity tool, you're managing personal tasks, journaling, or goal setting. You love flexibility and beautiful templates. And you can go with ClickUp if you are managing a team or multiple projects. You need advanced features like time tracking, Gantt charts, and automations. Also, if you want better project oversight with dashboards and report, you can go with ClickUp. So that's it. And if this video helped you, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment, and let me know in the comments which one you prefer and why. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.